Hello, welcome to the Tech Studios. In this video, we will see that how to use AWK command to print columns from a text file or from any terminal output. I have already created a text file which contains 6 columns and 2 rows, as you can see that on the screen. Now, I will print even number of columns from this file using AWK command. To print a particular column, the syntax would be AWK in single quotes in curly braces. You have to write print dollar your column number. As you can see that I am going to print even number of columns, so I have provided column number 2, column number 4, and after that column number 6. Here I am using commas after my column number, so that comma will act as a space between the columns in the output. In the last, you have to provide your file name from which you are going to take your output. Here in the output, you can see that it is showing column number 2, 4 and 6. Now we will see that how to print columns from the commands output. As you can see that I have executed netset-tulpn. This command will show us the open port. Now here I want to print specific columns from this command's output. So syntax would be netset-tulpn. After that pipe awk print. Now here I am going to print column number 3 and after that column number 4. Now hit enter. Here in the output you can see that it is showing column number 3 and column number 4. Yeah, that's it from my side. If this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates.